Hi, hello, welcome back to the channel Unpack Me guys. This is your Vignesh here, and yes, I'm back at my desk. Today this is not going to be like a review or unboxing video guys. It's just going to be a normal video and also a short video guys, because today I'm not going to go outside and record something because it's raining outside, so I don't want to get wet. So what I did is I tried to record some cinematic shots from this window guys, which I saw from this window. Wow, which is like a very beautiful guys. So I also wanted to share that view with you guys, so that's why I recorded this video guys. This is not going to be like any vlog like moto vlogging or something else. It's just going to be a normal video guys, like cinematic video. And yes, soon in India the rainy season is going to start guys. I'm just waiting for it to enjoy the view and the climate and that cool breeze guys. Also, this is not going to be too long guys. The cinematic shots will be like for a minute, so totally this video is going to be like only 3 to 4 minutes. So okay, now check this out. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below down there. And if you have any suggestions, just comment down below on the comment box guys. And please don't forget to subscribe for this channel for more videos guys. See you soon. Bye.